What's up guys, welcome to East West Beats, and today I'm going to show you how to make your vocals sound super wide. I'm going to be using Logic Pro and some free plugins and some paid plugins. However, no matter which DAW you use, you're going to be able to get these plugins. Your DAW probably has a built-in free version of one of the secret plugins that I'm going to show you that's probably built in and that you can use, and also there's a thing called the Haas effect that you can use as well. I talked a lot, but I wanted to share this because I personally found it very hard when I wanted to make this technique happen and there were no tutorials out there. So let's just get to it. So I have a stock vocal from Logic Pro that I'm just going to be moving around and showing you different plugins. I have a little bit of a reverb on it, so let's just listen to it dry and see how it sounds. Just kind of put the key here on chords to make it sound a little pretty while you guys are doing it.
Down, 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 crashing down.
Alright, so that's a simple mono vocal down the middle.
Down, 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 crashing down.
Alright, so the first one we're going to be using is the chorus from Logic Pro. Now, what I'm going to do is just put it at 100% and you'll hear what this sounds like.
Down, 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 crashing down.
Alright. You have to be careful if you're going to use this free version Logic Chorus plugin, because one thing that happens is you lose a bit of your mono compatibility. So you want to just mix it into your taste and how it sounds in the song. So let's play with it.
Down, 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 crashing down. Down, 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 crashing down.
All right, so you can already hear how wide it is. Add a bit of a reverb on it and see how that sounds.
Down, 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 crashing down. Down, 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 crashing down.
All right, so that's one of them. Another one is by Infected Mushrooms. The plugin is called Wider. So I'm just going to put it at 0 for now and play it, and then I'm going to toggle it a little bit so you'll hear it.
Down, 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 crashing down. Down, 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 crashing down.
So, a simple plugin does the job, makes things wider. So if that's a plugin that you're interested in, get that. But again, guys, keep in mind that you will sacrifice your mono compatibility. It's nothing to worry about nowadays because a lot of people don't listen to music on a mono speaker, or most of the clubs or headphones are also stereo. Another super cool plugin, my favorite, is the Ozone Imager. I mean, this thing is just pure magic. Let me just enable it and play it.
Down, 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 crashing down. Down, 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 crashing down.
So you can choose how wide you want the sound to be, but you can also choose the amount.
Down, 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 crashing down. Down, down, down.
Seriously, one of my favorite plugins that I use on vocals. Don't overuse it. Another cool plugin is by Voxengo. It's called a CRTIV Chorus. And they actually have a pretty cool plugin just called Stereo Vocals. Just click on it and activate it, and let's play with it.
Down, 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 crashing down. Down,
so that's dry.
Down, crashing down. Down, down, down.
I prefer it right here.
Down, 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 down.
It's subtle, but you hear the effect. Another plugin is called Provocative. I think it's very simple. It lets you mix in the dry and the wet signal, and super cool thing is that it has a high pass and a low pass. So let's just hear the wet version of this.
Down, 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 crashing down.
Again, this is what I told you about the Haas effect. They're using a bit of a delay in the right and the left side to play with it. And let's mix it in with the dry signal.
Down, 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 crashing down. Down, 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 crashing down.
Again, this turns it into a mix knob. Super cool. Another favorite plugin is the Magic Stereo plugin, one of my favorite plugins. So let's just play with it.
Down, 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 crashing down. Down, 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 crashing down.
So I don't know exactly what's happening in this plugin, but it is super, super dope. It just makes it sound so, so damn good with the special. And when you put it to wet all the way, I actually use this on the master bus sometime as well, just a tad bit to get the width. What we're also going to do is I'm going to show you a different way of doing it without any plugins. So what I'm doing is I just made 2 stereo channels. I'm gonna put the track on both, pan it hard right and left.
Down, 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 crashing down.
So you won't hear anything. However, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go here in Logic, and I'm not sure why it's not showing. Because I have to enable the auto, the flex pitch, and once you do that, you just go on one of the tracks. And when it says fine tune, you literally tune it up maybe plus 5 cents.
Down, 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 crashing down. Down, down, down.
This is without it.
Crashing down.
And this is
down, down, down. Down, down, down. Crashing down.
Yeah, so guys, that's a quick way. I just showed you 5 different plugins on how to make your vocals sound wider with or without either paid plugins, free plugins, or without any kind of plugins. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment below. Make sure you subscribe. There's also a Facebook group. We're trying to grow that community for producers who want to learn these techniques, share other techniques that they have with others. I also share some sample packs there. So yeah, let's create a community and let's make some music together. And I'll see you guys at the next one.